This waterfall looks beautiful, but it hides a secret most people don't know. Many people feel instantly relaxed near waterfalls, but few know why. As water crashes onto rocks, it fills the air with natural negative ions. Scientists believe these tiny particles may help lower stress and boost your mood. That's why standing near a waterfall often feels different from any other place. It's not just the sound. It's not just the view. It's the invisible effect nature may be having on your mind. Would you spend an entire day here? Let me know below.